Okay, so for this demo, we're going to open the build of the demo we've created. And we have a simple demo with 3 bosses or units, and they're going to be defending themselves against some aggressive spiders. Now, as they attack these spiders, their experience goes up and their level goes up every time. They get 5 points of experience, and as a result, their maximum health also increases. Now, when they receive damage, they also receive, so as you can see, the damage on the health bar, their health bar reduces every time they take damage. So this guy just leveled up, he's level 2, and now he has 2 health bars. So let's assume this is our game, and you want to save your progress. We have provided an example here where we could use, for this boss right here, or this unit here, we're going to save using the Unity scriptable objects, the default one. And I'm going to click save right now. So he's level 3. Let's see if it saves it. We're going to use Unity scriptable objects for this guy. And now I'm going to use the ScriptableObject Pro for the middle unit here. He's got 2 levels, 0 XP bar. I'm going to click save right now. Now for that last unit, he's on auto save. He's also using the ScriptableObject Pro. And the spiders are also being auto saved using ScriptableObject Pro. So now that I've saved all 3 units, let's close the app. I'm going to Alt and F4, and I'm just going to close it and see what will happen. I just completely crashed the app, and I'm going to reload it, see if it's going to load the data that we have saved. Okay, you can see the spiders are exactly where they were. However, the first guy, he started on level 1. All his experience was lost, all his health was lost, nothing was saved. So saving using Unity, the default Unity scriptable object, in build doesn't work. Whereas saving using ScriptableObject Pro does work for saving the spiders, for saving the state of anything you want, really. Now, the question is, why didn't Unity ScriptableObject work? And you might have used it in editor, and it works just fine in editor. Even in runtime, while you're in editor, it saves. But when you build your project, all of a sudden, it doesn't work. And that actually traps a lot of people who build their entire game based on scriptable objects as their primary means of saving their data, and it just doesn't work. That's because they're not designed to work as a read and write database in your build. They are only designed to function as a read-only database in build, but you can read and write in editor, regardless whether it's in play mode or outside of play mode, whether it's in runtime or outside of runtime. It will save while Unity is open. And that traps a lot of people. They can build an entire game, and then once they actually build it, open the app, they realize that actually you can only read from the scriptable object. One other thing you should know is that ScriptableObject Pro is extremely fast. It's probably the fastest method for you to save your data, faster than saving on JSON files, faster than most methods available. Now let's compare the difference between the 2 scriptable objects. So this is a standard Unity scriptable object, and this is how we were saving the health of the boss on the left side, the unit on the left side. And the difference between this unit and the one in the middle, we were using a ScriptableObject Pro. And the way to do that is as follows. You add this mutable attribute, and you inherit from SmiteSoftware.sopro.ScriptableObject. Aside from that, it's exactly the same. If you want more details on the differences, you should open the documentation that's provided with this asset, but it's really straightforward and easy to use. Thank you for watching.